Karbi Bharati to organize Winter Football Championship in Helsinki from October 7. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbi Anglong Live English Primetime News with your host Julie Baby. Now the news in details. In a good news for the football lovers, the Winter Football Championship, which was played last year, would again be held this year. This was informed by Karbi Bharati local leaders Imlang Lumpui and Probinsing Maslai on Thursday. The football championship would kick off on October 7 and would be concluded on November 3 at Umsawai under the Amri constituency, West Karbi Anglong district. Addressing a press conference here today, Karbi Bharati local leaders Imlang Lumpui and Probinsing Maslai say that, viewing the potentialities among the youth, Karbi Bharati has decided to organize a prize money football tournament so that the local youths will get exposure in football perspective through this tournament. While promising that the tournament will carry a prize money of Rs 1 lakh to the winners, it was also informed that they have invited different clubs of the neighboring state Meghalaya.
আজি আমি ক্ৰীড়া বৰ্ডিটোৰ পৰা এখন খেল পাতিবলৈ কৈ আছো কাৰ্বি আংলং ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট কমিটিৰ পৰা তাৰ কাৰণে আজি এই প্ৰেছ মিডিয়াৰ থ্ৰুদি আমি এখন প্ৰেছ মিট পাতিছো আৰু আমি আমাৰ খেল পাতিব কৈ আছো আমি অক্টোবৰ 7 তাৰিখৰ পৰা আমাৰ ফাইনালটো হ'ব নৱেম্বৰ 3 তাৰিখ
ni nilitum labang so press meet kibi ponang ko la bangke kewangji ni fight proxy nilitum Karbi Bharati West Karbi Anglong district committee hinpen umsai pathu aklamalong nilitum football tournament kibi pon kesikdu la sabang so football tournament along Assam Meghalaya khelaria korte mate ka pathu abang phu ang fitu same nangka cepate mate nangke join nu je phanse nilitum chuning rilo labang so ke pathu along lage Supinsu that kali soarlu tum hasaminil tum kisik pondo lase soarlu tum samil bangso a football tournament along nangke join unje phasinil tum tuning rilo apen hala bang.
Meanwhile, cleanliness program or Safai Abhijan was also carried out by the Amri BJP Mandal. MEC Dominic Uping Maslai, Amri Mandal President Sabendra Ronghi, Bijoy Teron, Matthew Puma, Dilip Timung and Lunse Teron among others participated in the program. While interacting with local media, local MEC Maslai informed that the cleanliness program in Amri and across the country was carried out to mark the birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Hemari Rongpar from Ulukunchi, Karbi Anglong Live. The full-fledged executive meeting of the Assam Sahitya Sabha will be held at Bakalia Ghat in the Karbi Anglong district on October 3 at the Bakalia Ghat United Karbi Club. This was informed by Karbi Anglong district Sahitya Sabha secretary on Thursday. According to the Karbi Anglong district Sahitya Sabha official, Assam Sahitya Sabha will have 316 district presidents, secretaries and 136 executive members. Karbi Anglong District Sahitya Sabha has requested all the executive members to be present. Further, preparation has made by the Jila Sahitya Sabha to pay homage to the delegates in accordance with the Karbi tradition. In addition to this, District Sahitya Sabha has opened several helpline numbers for the guidance of delegates from outside the district. More importantly, the Karbi Anglong District Sahitya Sabha has called upon all of its members to be vaccinated in accordance with the guidelines issued by the government.
অসম সাহিত্য সভাৰ পূৰ্ণাংগ কাৰ্যনিৰ্বাহী সভাখনি অহা 3 অক্টোবৰ তাৰিখে বকলাঘাট ইউনাইটেড কাৰ্বি ক্লাবত কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলা সাহিত্য সভাৰ উদ্যোগত অনুষ্ঠিত হ'ব। এই পূৰ্ণাংগ কাৰ্যনিৰ্বাহী সভাখনত অসমৰ বিভিন্ন জিলাৰ সভাপতি সম্পাদকৰ উপৰিও অসম সাহিত্য সভাৰ কাৰ্যনিৰ্বাহী সদস্যসকল উপস্থিত থাকিব। অসম সাহিত্য সভাৰ এই পূৰ্ণাংগ কাৰ্যনিৰ্বাহী সভালৈ আহোঁতে প্ৰতিগৰাকী সদস্যই কোভিড প্ৰট'কল মানি যেন এটিকৈ কোভিড ভেকচিন লৈ আহে তাৰ বাবে আমি কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলা সাহিত্য সভাৰ অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ। আৰু ইতিমধ্যে আমি কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলাৰ সাহিত্য সভাই সংবাদ মাধ্যমৰ যোগেদি অসমৰ বিভিন্ন বাতৰি কাকতত যিসকল কাৰ্যনিৰ্বাহী সদস্য আহিব তেখেতসকলক আমি যোগাযোগৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ ফোন নম্বৰসমূহ দি দিছোঁ। তেখেতসকলে যেন সেই ফোন নম্বৰ যোগেদি তেখেতসকলে আমাৰ অনুষ্ঠানত উপস্থিত থাকিবৰ বাবে অনুৰোধ জনায়।
Welson Terang's report from Wolongkomaji for Karbi Anglong Live. A social work was carried out jointly by Rengsengso KCS Atirang and 11 Karbi United FC along the Chitung Langso Road under Dongmukak area on Thursday. Here is a short report. During the day, Rengsengso KCS Atirang and 11 Karbi United FC cleared roadside creepers and bushes which had created visual obstruction for commuters passing through this road. The clearing work, which commenced at 9 a.m. was carried out beginning from Dongkamuka Market along the road covering 5 kilometers under the Chitung Langso area. While interacting with media, the organizer stated that road has been constructed by the government, but lack of maintenance led to road view blockage by creepers and bushes, and therefore they had taken up the measure in the greater safety and interest of all people of the area and passers-by. The society and club has also urged upon the PWD authority to perform their duty of maintaining road by engaging master role employees in the future, and also upon the concerned department to never forget their duty provide public service. 11 Karbi United FC advisor Birson Kramsa, Secretary Sonjit Teron, President Bimol Pangcho and Rengsengso KCS Unit President Bijoy Pangcho and several other youths also took part in the social work.
Pini nilitum long song puta pupe nitum ladak unit do lapen Rengsengso unit lapen de nitum dak pene club hoi do latum nitum hini pen combination si la towar bang masaso chelang no dak ason se do mane chelang no te ki khelat pini lason katora dokok la masi nitum chera pen si la kang thira sai bang tum deng pona u la inut bhani ke khela korte lapen de dak Rengsengso ki CS unit atum alang litum combine pen si la so kam pangthir pon lo la so long bang ke alang litum sining duk bang la son lo to wara prang ke la son masterol pen litum ke pan do la son si theklong la si pining bang ke agosto an par krak nang pan peda si theklong la si pining bang ke government handa chuton unang nilup si matha dam lo government to warang bonai pds tamela la masterol bang nang bonai nang claim peden masi dagarap tum si thur pak lo alang bang ke
Samsung Intest report from Dongmukak, Karbi Anglong Live. In yet another success for the Karbi Anglong police in the war against drugs, 5 kgs of ganja was seized by Khadkhati on Thursday. Here is a report. In a rigorous checking of vehicles on the NH39 under Bokachun subdivision area directed by SDPO John Das, the police officials posted at Khadkhati had stopped a bus bearing registration number AS12AC 3477. The bus was coming from Dimapur and moving towards Golaghat. On thorough search of the bus, a plastic packet containing 5 kgs drugs was recovered. However, the police were unable to identify the person who brought the packet in the bus. As such, they had taken the driver into custody for interrogation. The seized drugs as well as the bus were kept under the possession of Khadkhati police at the time this report was filed. Anantarang from Bokachun, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.